Starting. Welcome, guys. Dave Santarelli here from Santarelli Trading Exchange, BreakingChartAlerts.com, and Stock Options Trading Academy. I got the screen pulled up for you guys here on YouTube. I am also live on Zoom right now with our Pro Trader members and Trader members. 9:26, 4 minutes till open. Futures were looking really great this morning when I woke up around 6:30, and then Trump. You guys heard, I'm sure, about Trump. He made some outrageous tweets there. Twitter ended up, banning some of them. So there's a big storm going on now, and I'm sure we're going to hear more from Trump. Also, keep in mind, he's going to be making some announcements on China sanctions later. So we got to see what's going on with that. Obviously, that's going to create great market conditions, volatility for some day trading here. So be prepared, be patient, and like I said, let's look for those good setups. I got that new, what is this thing, iPad Pro thing here? I got this new iPad Pro here I picked up yesterday, $2,000. But the bad part about this, I can't annotate on Zoom on this. Man, that's really upsetting me. So I'm probably just going to use that for a trading account. Maybe I could trade one of my other accounts on it. I'll probably forget, so it's probably just going to get shipped back to Apple. But anyway, guys, we've been doing great for day trades on Fridays here, so let's keep that going. Let's be patient, disciplined, follow that trade plan, and look for some good setups. I'm going to have the live trade room open here on the website, BreakingChartAlerts.com. So if you guys have anything, please comment in the trade room, BreakingChartAlerts.com, in the trade room. If you guys have anything you want to go over, you see something breaking out, put it in the trade room. I'll bring it up on the screen here. Obviously, there's like a minute delay on YouTube there. So for those of you that are members, make sure you are live with us on Zoom. That's why our members, our live viewers, went down on YouTube there, because we're live on Zoom now for our clients. So like I said, let's get ready here 2 minutes before opening bell. Dr. Reber says, watch CRM, Salesforce. It's bouncing higher. I'm going to put that up here. One of our members was in Amazon. I wanted to see. She's got a big position in Amazon. So just checking that out. Salesforce down 4% here. We'll keep that up. Another minute and a half here until opening bell. Got the annotation here ready. I wonder if that Apple Pen on this one will work on here. Let me see.
Yeah. Dave Powell as well too is going to talk.
Yeah, what time? 11?
11 a.m.
Powell's going to be speaking at 11 today as well.
We got that volatility.
We got a lot of conditions here that are going to be ripe for some day trading. So like I said, just be patient. I'm going to be watching the news here. This is what's important. I'm going to be watching the news feed, the live news wire. We're going to be looking for some good setups. And if I see them, I'm going to announce them. So if you guys see anything, please let me know. And this is how our Day Trade Fridays are going to be going. So if you guys see something on the move, you see something following our trade plan, you see something worthy in the news, let me know and we'll take a look at it live here. Alrighty, here comes opening bell, guys. Let's see what we're going to do. Yeah, Bob, that's for PDFs and stuff. It's not a live screen share, so not able to do that on the iPad Pro here, because I guess it comes up as like a tablet instead of a desktop or a mobile device. But Vinny, I'm probably going to do day trade in our Trade Challenge account in the afternoon when the IV drops there and the extrinsic value drops. So yes, here we go, guys. 9:30. Visa trades up. The Visa June 19th is up. What's Visa at? It's up only 22 cents right now. Getting a nice pop on, wow, take a guess what I got a big gain on today, a 285% gain on.
Whoa, what?
Hertz, July 17th.
Hertz.
Take a look at Hertz quick.
Wow.
Wow, those options are up huge on Hertz. We picked those up. Any of you guys get in that Hertz trade? Let's see, Hertz, it's only up 2% today, but those options, there's a large bid in the ass there, so probably someone just paid 80 cents there. So it's just going between that. That's the one thing I don't like about E-Trade. So you got a bid of 0 cents, ask of 250 for the one strike. Diamond, we picked up that hedge yesterday. That's up $600. That Diamond, we're up $700 down on that hedge, which is nice because we have our CCL that's down about $500 right now. I'm looking on the other screen that I have over here, guys. That's just an extension shown. Let's change these to the today 1 minute. CRM for Dr. Reeves. Let's see, today 1 minute. We'll put on Diamond today 1 minute. We'll put everything on today 1 minutes and see if we can find some good setups here. So we'll give it till about 9:45, and then we're going to start looking for some good trade setups. Right now I'm seeing what's moving. Excuse me. Watching for what's moving. I'm watching Qualcomm here hold that 10 at the bottom right. That's really nice. Visa's coming back up to the SMAs. So I'm kind of gauging now what we're going to be focusing in on here once the market settles down around 9:45. The Visa June 19ths are already up $300, up 9% on those now, 10%. There goes Visa on the climb. I love Visa. You guys know that. 194.67. Now, if the Diamond and SPY start to climb above that 10, I'm going to close out our hedge. Space is on the climb.
Ooh, taking off. Is there a
Oh,
lunch
yeah,
today?
Space. It's tomorrow.
I mean, I'm bet like it's not.
Yeah. Well, Space is taking off big time there. Space might be a great day trade. Let's pull up the option chain, look for the 17 strike on Space, just see what that's going for. Visa's starting to break out, guys. Qualcomm's climbing. I think the markets are going to be rallying here. There goes Visa. New highs of the day on Visa. There goes Diamond. There goes SPY. New highs of the day on those. Nice climb on Space. Let's bring up the Space option chain here. SPCE. Look at Qualcomm. Nice. 1020 cross is going to be coming up in a few minutes there if we could continue to climb above that 20. There goes Space. 1677. Let's see, the 17 strike today is only 25 cents. That's not a bad trade idea there ahead of the launch. Let's see, the May 29th, I'm still deciding if I want to get in that or not, but it's so cheap there. How could you not pick up 20 contracts? I mean, that's going to be a quick gain. So here's a $500 trade. If we wanted to get in now, we could get this for 25 cents on Space. That's not a bad trade idea. Space is looking great there. Now let's take a look and see where resistance would be. Obviously, it's a day trade. 1750 is reasonable. That's for sure. So if we got in for 25 cents for the 17 strike call and it got up to 1750 by the end of the day, that's going to be a 100% return. Here comes Qualcomm. What did I tell you about the 1020 cross coming up? Nice big candle here above that 1020 SMA. We're watching SPY and Diamond right now, though. This is what's important. Are we going to fail at that 10 and then start to head lower on Diamond and SPY, or are we going to break through that 1020 and see a general market incline here? Rally. Ooh, Space is really taking off there. Man, I'd love to jump into that. What do you think? Should we jump into Space?
Space is good. Sponsor. I have a good news event for tomorrow.
Yeah, but is it going to continue to run here? We're only 5 minutes in. You know, that could have a quick pullback down to 1650. Right down to that 1020. She looks pretty strong, though. If she holds that 10 and gets that green candle, that's the perfect entry with the trade plan. But I'm watching Diamond and SPY here, and they're heading lower. Candle's not over. Let's see if that could break above that 10 there. Visa's still holding that 10 right now. Qualcomm came right back down to that 1020. See, that's at 19 cents now. If you got that at 19, it gets back up to 26. What's that?
Tyler in Space.
They got in?
Yeah, they're ready.
Did they get in already or no? Wow, that was quick, guys.
They're ready, huh?
Visa's taking off that 10 there. I'll get in with you on space at, I'll try 22 cents. I'll do a quick couple of contracts there with you guys. Let's see. It did not execute yet. $490 trade on space. Let's see if that executes. It's live. See, I'm chasing this one, but it's okay because it's a runner. She's climbing off that 10. It's looking good there for a nice climb. Let's see. I'll increase it to 25 cents. It's a $500 trade. Very small trade here. Let's see if we get executed. Live.
TNXP, Tonix Pharma shares not responding right now. Company has a tweet out saying believes in its proprietary horsepox vaccine platform, which has 4 potential vaccines currently in development.
Look at space go.
Meant to be engineered to express relevant protein antigens.
She's at 29 cents now.
Diseases to make a variety of potential
29?
vaccines.
Yeah.
Now getting a pop here now. 69 cents on TNXP.
Let's see what I get filled out here. There we go. I just got in. This is just a day trade. 28 cents.
Wow.
$560 trade. See how this one is to start off the morning. It's a little early, so that's why it's such a small trade there. But I like the looks of that.
High up about 5% now. TNXP.
Diamond. Visa's up $350 right now. Not bad. I want to add to that Visa trade. I really think that's going to hit that 200 to 210 next week. There goes Diamond. I'm going to close out my Diamond puts now. I'm watching. I want to see that first candle above that, so I'm getting it ready here. We're up $320 on the Diamond puts right now. Space trade's already up 3%. Let's see, what do I want to sell these at? Look at the space breakout. We're already up 5% on space. Any in those must be up nice. You're gonna have to stop this. I can't work like this. You hear Charlie? He's talking to his kids. You're gonna have to stop. Yeah, you're gonna have to stop this. I can't work like this. I know how he feels though. I got a little kid.
Yeah.
Poor guy. Oh, that was completed. Sold it at $1.40, the diamond hedge that we had.
$1.40?
Yes, sir. Space coming back down to that 10. Let's see what Visa's doing over here.
Oh, you didn't get too bad of a loss. You got in at 145. Sure.
We may still be doing day trades on some puts today, but Visa's still holding that 10. It looks like markets want to, it's trading in the NTZ right now between that 10-20 on SPY and Diamond. So I'm watching that. Space though is just tanking below that 10 there. But then again, it's only 18 cents away from the highs here. So still within range on space. Might retrace down to that 20. Looking at 1660 as support, but it's holding that 10 right now. Qualcomm falling below that 20. That was only down about 102 now. Nasdaq's up 30. S&P's down 6. I think we're going to have a nice pop next week. Again, slow, steady climb. That's what we've been seeing. Let me put up the news wire over here. Advanced Micro Devices, 55 call sweeps coming in there. Facebook, they're picking up the 235 straight calls for June 5th. What were shares of Twitter doing since this whole fiasco started with Trump? Twitter hasn't done much. What was it at? 32? Right down to that 10. Diamond, SPY, big red candles here, guys. Take a look at Diamond and SPY. Looks like the markets might be reversing here, failing at that 20, and now heading down to the lows for the day. So watching that, 9:42, 12 minutes into the day. There goes Space taking off again. Nice climb on Space. SPY, Diamond, little pop there. Qualcomm's got a big candle there. I'm liking the looks of that. Visa's still holding that 20. There goes Space again. Space calls are now in the green. Now what we have to do is see Space break this resistance right here. So right now we have some resistance. Resistance, right? What is that? Probably 1695-ish, 1697. I want to see it break above that resistance for that next big run on Space. We're already up 4% on that Space day trade we just made. Did not break that resistance yet on Space. Come on. Keep it going. There we go. 7, 8, 9, 10% gain now on Space. Nice run on Space. She broke through resistance. She's in breakout momentum. Let's see that confirmed green candle to confirm that next big breakout. Love the looks of that. Space continuing to run there. Got up to 17 bucks. Let's see it break that 17, because if it breaks that 17, my target's going to be 17.50. Qualcomm first candle's above that 10.20 right now. Qualcomm's got some resistance right here at about, oh, I don't have the annotation on. Let me put that on for you guys. Qualcomm's breaking through resistance now, looking good. Look at Diamond, first candle above that 20 right now. Same thing with SPY, starting to run. Space is on the run, up 4% again on Space.
Eddie got out at 29. He got in at 17. Quick 71%.
71% gain for Eddie Santos. Where's he on the video here? He has his video shut off on Zoom. Qualcomm still running there. Let's see Space hold that 10 and break above that 17. He made a 71% gain on Space. That was nice, Eddie. Great job. Let me see the trade room. Like a loaded Sex Pistol. He was in at 17 cents. What did he get out at?
29.
29. Eddie Santos says Team Rocket is blasting off again.
Pokemon.
Oh, there goes Space again. There goes Space. Come on, let's break that 17 a share now and run for that 17.50. Qualcomm's looking great. If I wasn't already in a day trade, I'd be looking at Qualcomm. Even SPY and Diamond now. Looks like we're going to start a rally here until Trump speaks, and you have to be cautious about that, because you have to understand when Trump speaks, that volatility is going to cause a big move in the markets. There goes Space, right back up to 17 bucks. Let's see it break that 17. There goes Diamond, Q's, SPY taking off. There goes Qualcomm. Nice run on the markets here, guys. Havis said he just made a quick 20% on Tesla in the first 10 minutes. Nice job. Qualcomm is ready for a big run here, guys. I'm telling you, if you're not into day trade, Qualcomm is looking really great there. I love the size of those candles. I love how the bodies are higher than the previous candles' bodies. It's looking good there for Qualcomm. SPY still climbing there. There goes Space. There goes Space. Just broke 17.01. Space trades up 15% already. Up a quick. There we go, 16%. %, on Space. It's at 34 cents now. Santos, what did he get in? 17 cents? He would have had 100%er. I'm up 20% now on Space, guys.
Tyler got in at 17.
Tyler got in at 17.
He didn't sell yet.
Tyler didn't sell yet?
No.
What are you up, Tyler? Probably 100%, right?
Probably got in.
There goes Visa. Come on, I want to see Visa break that 195. A candle above 195, a green body above 195, and Visa will be ready for a takeoff there. Space still running there, looking good on our Space trade. Qualcomm's pulling back a little bit there, expecting another run. That's looking good. I want to see SPY, though, climb above that 50 right here. Let me keep annotation on here for you guys on Zoom. Let me see. Let me bring the Zoom chat up here. How the hell do I see that here? Chat. Oh, okay, I see the Zoom chat here.
Dave, we have a question.
What's that?
We have a question from Jonathan. Facebook spread for this week's Expo. I can't sell. The long side doesn't.
That's worthless. You let it expire worthless. I'm not going to do anything with that there. That's not even close. Unless Facebook got a $10 climb today. You know, I'm not closing that out.
50 now after resuming trade. November Echo Romeo Victor.
Look at Qualcomm again here.
Company I would
Another
bet,
run.
press
Here was that
release.
consolidation box on Qualcomm, and she's starting to take off here. Candle's not over, so see where that ends. Nice
Back
1020
there,
cross on
schizophrenia
Diamond.
trial, no significant.
This has been acting as resistance.
Statistical
Wait for that
differences
next
between the
breakout. There goes
placebo and the
Qualcomm.
drug.
Big run on
Shares
Qualcomm
Now
there.
selling off 450 and halted now on a circuit breaker at the low.
Look at that run on. I'm telling you, Qualcomm's going to get up to $80 today. It's at $78.96 right now. I'd really love to do day trade on Qualcomm, but I'm in so many positions right now. I'd rather wait a little bit. Qualcomm's still running while the market's retracing here. That's telling me I'm looking for a big run here on Qualcomm. She's going to go up to 80 bucks. You want to capture that dollar return there on some options? That'd be a nice setup there on Qualcomm for you. Let's see if Space is going to hold that 10. Space trade back up 4%. Nice climb off that 10 on Space so far. Up 7% now on Space.
Tyler's in Qualcomm.
He's in Qualcomm. He got in. Nice, Tyler. Nice. What did he get? The 80 strike or 79? 80s. There goes Space. 9% gain on Space. He got in the
New York
80s.
City Mayor
Wow,
de
look at
Blasio
Qualcomm.
says city to provide at least 2 million free face coverage. for
Oh,
businesses
God. They
that
got in
need
our
it.
Qualcomm trade idea? They got in without me. Let me pull up the Qualcomm option chain here, see what that's looking like. Space is up 9%. Yieldit said up 5% on Qualcomm. Thanks, Dave. You are making dreams come true. God bless you and your family and everyone. Up 8%. Nice job there, Yieldits. Thank you for that. I appreciate that a lot. Space trade now up 11%. There goes Space. Come on, I just want a quick 100%. It's not much to ask for. Hate trades that make you wait an hour for it, you know? That's why I usually like trading in the afternoon. It's quick. You know, those 100%, they could be in 5 minutes. You know, there we go. There goes Space. Up 21% now on Space. There
Coming
she
up
goes.
at 10 is the
25% gain
consumer
on Space. Up
sentiment
$200
for
now.
May
30% gain on
74
Space.
expected.
She's at 37 cents now. Last traded at 36. Bid of 35. There she goes. 35% gain on Space. She is climbing. 40% gain on Space. 38 by 40. There she goes. She's taking off here.
Space just launched.
What a nice run there on Space. You know what? It's that time, though.
Lock it in.
Oh, see, they got to me first. Some of the members are quicker than me.
Closing.
I am closing it at, let's see if it executed. There we go. We just closed it at 36 cents. I would have got it higher at 39 cents, but what was that? What were we in at?
You're in at
SNOA, Sandy November Oscar.
At what
Alpha
price?
opened on a circuit breaker.
28?
At the high, $17.92 now.
29%
Shares
gain.
up 231
Not bad,
cents,
right? For a day trade?
231% now on Sonoma shares.
Did you guys exit out of that
Circuit breaker
Space?
At the highs of the day.
Space is still fine if you wanted to hold it, but I just wanted to move on to something else. I think Qualcomm might be a nicer setup here, but she's back up 36.37 now, bidding the ask on Space. She's climbing again. There she goes. She's having another run, 37 by 38.
DSS, Document Security Systems.
Look at that run there on
Shares are getting
Space.
a pop here on a tweet now from the company.
Oh, look at that, 37
DSS
by 39 now, as Space continues to run.
says DSS, HID, One Cosmos, and General Dynamics IT introduced
36 by 39.
Shares
Pull
getting a
back
pop
there.
on
Did you
that.
guys lock in those profits? Let's see. On the Zoom
Delta
chat, did you guys
Sandy,
lock in those profits?
Shares hitting $8.13 on DSS.
Let's see. Where do I find that chat at again? Over here. There we go. Avilio says, sure did.
820 now, the high.
Team Avilio, let's go.
Team Avilio. There we go. What'd you lock in there, Avilio, on that trade? Lock in the same return as we did? That's a nice setup there. Nice quick little setup. Every time I look at the Zoom here, I see Dave Galloway. I think that's you. He looks exactly like
he?
you with the goatee. Look on the video.
Oh.
Doesn't he?
Dave, we're twins, Dave.
Bald on the top too. How you doing today, Dave? Did you do the space trade?
My lighter version.
Dave, you do the space trade?
He's saying need Avilio too.
Oh, Avilio. Josh Wakao. I made a quick gain. Got in late, but still a gain. Avilio's up $800 now for the day on that. Nice job, Avilio. Nice job. We got a great team here. I love our team. Michael Reber, Dr. Reber, 30% gain on space, he said. Nice job there.
Delta Golf Lima Yankee.
Nice. Alrighty, let's see now. What the hell are we going to do now? Let's look for the next setup. Now see, now that we just locked in a quick 30% gain, what we're going to do is wait for that next setup. You know, if we make 3, 4, maybe 6 trades today, that's a success. You know, that means we got some volatility we could take advantage of, and we can make some further trades. But right now, you know, you see first off, you know, Qualcomm's still holding that 10, but if we get a green candle off that 10, I may enter into Qualcomm and look for that $80 target today for a quick day trade. Space retracing down to that 20. We literally sold at the highest candle today on Space so far. Isn't that amazing? But she might come down to that 20 now, bounce off that 20, hold support there, and start that climb. We'll have to see. Qualcomm's pulling back here as well. So you see the general markets are shifting. Diamond shifting lower here. So now we could possibly get into some puts as a day trade. Make some money on some puts here. So that's what I'm going to be watching for, this 1020 cross below. What's that, E?
Space is coming down to Earth.
Coming right back down. Oh, Dave Galloway says yes. Nice. He's out at 38 cents. He got out at even higher than us. Nice. Adam, did you get into that space trade?
$33. Well,
Adam did?
$28. No. I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know, but it was super cheap. We got in.
Yeah, that was a cheap one there, Adam. That was 28 cents a contract there.
Yeah.
That would have been nice.
Buy 5 of those.
Qualcomm's coming right down to that 20. If she bounces off that 20, I'll get in. Adam, a day trade's very different than a swing trade. So yes, absolutely. That was the wise decision. Avilio says Snap. Let's take a look at Snap here.
AGE, Ajax Therapeutics, halted on a circuit breaker at the high.
Ooh, Snap's having a nice run. Look at that. From 18 bucks to 18.70, up 2.4% for the day. She's going for. She's having a big breakout there. What a run.
Ajax and Sir Nova to collaborate to engineer universally.
I'd pick something up on Snap for next week.
Cell therapies for type 1 diabetes and hemophilia A. That's AG.
That'd be nice though for a day trade as well, possibly.
SNOA Sonoma shares resume trade now. $19 now on Sandy November Oscar Alpha.
Let's see the news wire here. What's going on? Facebook option alert, 225 puts coming in for today's expo. Ollie's bargain outlet. Shares are trading higher after the company reported better than expected Q1 EPS and sales results. KeyBank maintained an overweight rating on the stock and raised its price target from $80 to $100 a share.
Alpha Victor Echo Oscar, New Street, high price of $24 at Baird, reiterates outperform rating and fresh pick status
Carnival
Racing
Cruise
from
Line
$15
call
to
sweeps coming in
$24,
January
and aggressive
15th.
fires on
40
weekdays
strike
at
call
Delta,
on Carnival
Whistler,
Cruise
Echo,
Line.
Oscar,
They're
and
the stock's what at
$24
$15
price
a share,
target now
$16 a
at
share.
their
They're picking up the
AVO.
40 strike calls on Carnival Cruise Line for January Expo. General Electric, 2020 may be another lost year for General Electric, but Bank of America is still bullish. Man, some of these analysts, I tell you, I don't know how they have jobs. Eli Lilly yesterday received U.S. FDA approval of Talvid for use in patients being evaluated with Alzheimer's disease. AMD optional June 5th, 50 strike put. Qualcomm still retracing there. Avilio says DPZ, Domino's Pizza. Let's take a look. DPZ. That's looking nice for a swing trade there. We're starting to get another bounce. Qualcomm. I might jump into Qualcomm here. If we see the Diamond and SPY start to climb here, let's put Q's up here. Q instead of Twitter. If Q's hold here and start to climb, I'm going to jump into Qualcomm. Take a look at the 3-month daily Qualcomm. It's looking good, holding that 1020. Today, 1 minute. Big green candle here. I think Qualcomm's going to start to pop from here from what I'm seeing. Domino's Pizza, today 1 minute. Look at that breakout on Domino's Pizza there. Today 1 minute. Nice Avilio. Is Avilio in that one?
Domino's Pizza?
Yeah. That's up 3%. SPY and Diamond are starting to take off again. Market's starting to climb. Do I want to jump into QCOM? That's the question. We already made one trade, 30%. Let's see here. Qualcomm, May 29th. We could pick up the 78 strike for about $1. That's not too bad there. If I got this trade, I'd pick up the 78 strike for about $1. I could just have that ready if I wanted to. Do you want to try doing a Qualcomm trade here? Let's see. She's running now, $1.13. When we were looking at it, it was already $1. She's climbing now. She's gonna have that next breakout again. Order stat. She's gonna break out. I gotta jump in this. Change, huh? She's failing at that 1020 right now.
Semiconductor is seeing multiple.
There we go. She completed.
Yeah.
I'm in Qualcomm. May 29th, 78 strike call in at $1.05. This is a day trade. So I'm watching because if this drops any lower here, I'll watch. But I got in Qualcomm, 78 strike call. That's going to be a day trade for today. Got in at what did I say? $1.05?
$1.05. That's another affordable one.
Yeah, but this one didn't cross above the 1020 yet. So, waiting for that climb above that 1020. Also, SPY and Diamond are failing at that 10 right now. So I'm watching that carefully. We're back at 96 cents by $1.06 on this. 97 by $1.06. Probably right at around $1 right now. But I want to see that breakout. I want to see that candle above there, that 1020, for me to stay into Qualcomm. 78.50 is my tight stop on Qualcomm. Want to see that climb though. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Already up now 2%, 3% on Qualcomm. Look at Qualcomm go. Wow, we're up 5% on Qualcomm now. 7%, 8, 9, 10% gains on Qualcomm. 11%. 12% gain on Qualcomm. 13.
AGE off the highs now. Alpha Golf Echo. Ajax Therapeutics.
16% gain on Qualcomm. I'm up $200. Just getting an entry ready. I don't know why that's like that. Out of Qualcomm, $1.21. What were we in at?
$1.05.
That was a 15.24% gain. Another 15% gain on Qualcomm there.
15%.
15%. Over 15, but that's not.
AGDX,
Now, do you see
AGDX,
how these little trades, you know, they're nice. You're putting in $1,000, $2,000, making a quick 200, 500 here and there. And look at that. We sold at the high in that breakout. Qualcomm, the rest of the market pulled right back after that. It's probably going to have another run again, but now what we're doing, resetting ourselves. Wait for that next setup again.
That's WRTC.
How many of you guys got in that, in the Zoom chat there? Did anyone get into that?
VISL, Vislink spiking here. Victor India Sandy Lima.
And let me pull up the order status here. Order status, let's see. Qualcomm sold at $1.21 right here. You guys can see.
AGE getting another circuit breaker hold. Alpha Golf Echo.
We were in at $1.05. Look at the time here too. We were in at 10:04 basically. In at 10:04, out at 10:06. 2-minute trade, 15%.
Yeah, my ink is still wet.
I know, right? Your ink is still wet. Josh Kaufman said he got 12% gain on Qualcomm.
Is that fair?
Floyd Rogers got in at 99 cents, out at $1.20. Awesome, Dave. Thank you. Chris said I went in a little longer. He's still holding. Nice job, Floyd Rogers. Josh Kaufman. Chris. Villia was in and out too late, he said.
BIOC, Biosep now out with a tweet. Bravo India Oscar Charlie says, according to recent study, trial that Imperial College
Our in-house therapist.
15-minute scan known as postogram may replace
What-
hospital exams.
What do you mean by that?
That's Josh.
Detecting prostate
Was he a
cancer.
therapist?
That's
He is?
BIOC,
What kind of
Biosep,
therapist?
Bravo India Oscar Charlie. BIOC.
That's why I'm on Zoom, guys.
On that. Bravo India Oscar
Zoom
Charlie,
is instant.
44 cents.
Always have your order entry ready, you know, or if you're trading with two platforms, have your phone ready for either have your phone on there for us or for trading, you know.
Look at Josh.
That's funny, Josh.
SNOA, Sandy November Oscar Alpha. Shares resume pulling
Okay.
back from the highs. More now. Hit a high of 1960. Now it's $16 on Sandy November Oscar Alpha.
Let's see here.
And BRV Nebriva says FDA accepted companies resubmitted NDA for Contipo and scheduled PDUFA date for June 19th. Informed by FDA that in connection with review of Contipo's NDA, FDA will need to inspect facilities of third-party manufacturers in Europe. That's NBRV Nebriva Therapeutics.
You guys seen any other setups here? Domino's Pizza right down to that 50. I'm watching that for a possible bounce here. 2 day trades though. Both of those did really well. QCOM. I might be able to re-enter QCOM here for 80 cents if it starts to bounce. I don't like the markets though. Take a look at the Diamond and SPY there. SPY's getting up to that 50 each time. Let me show you guys
Uber,
here.
Shares near the highs now, 35.05. January 2022, $60 call now in Uber, UBER.
You guys see how SPY is failing?
Uber announcing hourly ride option for $50 per hour. That was earlier.
Hourly ride for
UBER,
$50 an hour for Uber. Would you do something for $50 an hour for Uber? That's not too bad, right?
Hell no.
What's that? $100 for here to Orlando? Yeah, 2 hours, maybe $350.
Yeah, that's way too
I'd pay someone to no
That's
that.
$40.
So what? Someone's driving you. You could use that time to do something for 3
Oh,
hours.
Oh, I do. That,
Well, yeah,
that
usually,
is
yeah, you
hysterical.
use that time for.
Hysterical.
Wow, look at Vincenzo, 214% on Facebook puts.
I think
Nice
he's the winner
job.
today.
Vincenzo's doing a great job. I love seeing his status updates. Now take a look at Diamond here. Diamond's getting up to that 20, failing. Now it's up
Twitter
to that 10,
also putting
failing.
disclaimers on the official White House Twitter account, in addition to President Trump's own
We have
account.
some members that are still in Qualcomm. Do you have any?
Well, it's in BDM now. You know, that first big red candle right here. That's your exit sign for day trades.
So if anybody's still in,
Well, it's still early though. You know, it's only what 43 minutes into the day. Might get a climb here. You know, the market's not doing too much. Dow's down 160. Nasdaq's only down 21. S&P's down 14. But right now we're in breakdown momentum. You know, that's why you have to be quick with your trades. Right here, you see we were in at 10:03.53.
oh yeah, you can see
I'm-
the candle.
Yeah.
Shares
So
of
we were
Biocept
in there. Let me
continuing
get a
to
different
inch
color
higher
here.
after that,
So you can see,
from the
let
company,
me
the
clear
IOC.
this shit here. All right, so you can see we were in at 10:03.53, which is almost 10:04, right? This was our buy to open, and then our sell to close. We were in that trade for 2 minutes. You know, day trades, you're going to be in and out. That's why I tell you guys, you know, have your orders ready, have everything ready, your option chain. I showed you guys how you could link these. Link one right here, link, you know, you guys could link that stuff. Make that a different color so you guys could see. You guys could link at the top of the charts here on eTrade Pro. You could link it right here as well, and it'll show you if you know if you make a lot of trades, you put in SPY, it'll show you the SPY trades.
The approval of Zelixi for treatment of papulopustular rosacea. That's Michael November Lima Oscar.
So,
That's MNLO.
2-minute trade there on that Qualcomm for 15%. Over 15%. Now, right here, Diamond, watch this. Up to the 20, up to the 20. If she gets up to that 20 and crosses above that 20, we might get a nice reversal here.
Shares of
We might be able to
Venmo
pick up
spike at
dominoes off that 50
$50.88.
SMA there. So that's what we're watching for now.
That
Just because
FBA
if we're not talking,
news.
I want you guys focused on the things you should be watching
Michael
for as
November
well
Lima
here.
Oscar.
Now we got some
SYRS
support right
Cyrus
around
Pharmaceuticals
78.25 on Qualcomm. If
presents
it
new
holds that,
preclinical
starts to
data
climb, I
highlighting
may
therapeutic
enter
potential of
78. That's going to be our base support
SY
here.
5609 in colorectal cancer. That's Sandy Yankee Romeo Sandy.
So we have base support at 78. She breaks below that, the markets are going to be
Letter C,
heading lower.
Citigroup CFO
Now take a look
says
at Diamond. We were
1.5
just
million
talking about how it
clients have
fails
signed
at
up
that
for
20
surveillance
SMA,
programs.
right?
That's
Right now you're
Letter C,
seeing it fail
Citigroup.
again at that 20 SMA. So we're waiting, watching, seeing if anything differs there. Right now, Domino's Pizza so far is getting a bounce off that 10. It's getting a squeeze between the 50 and the 10 SMA. Let's see if something happens there. Right now, you're just being patient and disciplined. Part of the trade plan, waiting for those setups, guys. I like how we're not seeing a drastic sell-off here. You know, when we're in BDM here,
BIOC,
look at it, it's
Biosep
about
now
3
getting a free
candles,
copy
and then
of
we're getting
Bravo
back
India
up to that
Oscar
20.
Charlie.
And that's like 3
49
candles,
cents,
4 candles.
BIOC.
So that tells me it's not like we're seeing a very volatile market yet. But we might get a turnaround here, and then we could look for a 254 as the next resistance on Diamond if we do get that climb. So we could look at that 254 if we start to climb there. And then if we jumped into something like Qualcomm or Domino's Pizza and we see Diamond get up to that 254, that's probably right about where we're going to take profits. Domino's, look at that. We were talking about that. It got a nice bounce off that 50 SMA. Now we're starting to see the MACD cross. You know, we're starting to get a nice flattening of the curve there on the white, and we're going to get a cross there coming up soon. So keep an eye on this. See what the general markets are doing. Right now, you're seeing the candles are trading between that 10-20 SMA. That's no trade zone. So keep an eye, see what we do here. Be patient, wait for the next. It's not even 40. It's 45 minutes into the day here. We already made 2 trades. You know, there goes that first candle above that 1020. So that's telling me Qualcomm here is likely going to have another little pop here. So I'm going to get my option chain, be ready to enter it again. And that's what you got to do. You just got to be ready. So let's see if I pick up the 78 for about 88 cents, 85 cents. I think that's going to have another nice pop. There she goes. She's already taken off there. 0.86. Okay, we're taking off. I'm going to buy that. Place trade. All right, let's see. Am I in it? Did it execute? There we go. Something just executed there. Okay, I am in Qualcomm. This is a day trade. It might be a minute, it might be 2 minutes, it might be 15 minutes. But I got into Qualcomm May 29th. Same trade as before, the 78 strike. I'm in at 85 cents. So let's see what she does now. I want to see her climb above that 10, start to take off. She's not doing that just yet, down 5% on the trade right now. Just opened it. SPY's looking okay. Here's what we gotta watch for the Qs. I want to see that start to climb here above that 10.
ERJ and Brayer draws foreign interest.
There goes Qs on the climb.
Rift that from.
Let's see if Qualcomm's going to participate with it.
Reuters reporting that aircraft makers are circling Brazil's Embraer weeks after Boeing ditched plans for historic commercial
Airbus might be picking up Embraer.
Reuters sources, that's ERJ.
Wow.
Echo Romeo Juliet.
Qs are still on the climb there above that 10. Let's see if Qualcomm's going to participate.
Shares of Embraer spiking to $5.
Embraer is on the spike there, guys. Nice jump on Embraer. There goes Qualcomm.
ERJ.
There we go. There we go. There we go.
Embraer shares are halted now.
Embraer shares are halted. What's
$5.55?
$5.55. That's going to be a big one if that gets taken over by Airbus. Our Qualcomm trades in the green, up 3% on Qualcomm. There goes shares. She goes up 4% on Qualcomm. She got right up to that 20 SMA 7850. Let's see that breakout and continue that breakout momentum on Qualcomm here. Market's pulling back a little bit there from the highs. It's okay. There goes Qs again, holding that 10 still.
EIGI, Echo India Golf India, getting some volume here. EIGI.
EIGI. There we go. There goes Qualcomm taking off again. There goes Diamond. Nice climb here in the markets. Let's see if Q's going to have a run here as well. MACD's crossing on Qualcomm now. Qualcomm trades up 3%. There goes SPY.
OXY, Occidental Petroleum shareholders endorse issue of warrants for 80 million shares to Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway for Anadarko financing. Occidental shareholders approve 400 million increase in authorized common shares as outstanding shares approach limit. Approve a poison pill plan
There goes
to prevent
Qualcomm.
hostile takeover or acquisition of more than a 15% stake. That's OXY, Occidental
Nice run on
Petroleum.
Qualcomm. Back up 4% on Qualcomm.
Oscar X-Ray Yankee.
Come on, Qualcomm. There she goes. 5% gain on Qualcomm. 6% gain on Qualcomm. She's breaking above that 20. There she goes. See that breakout continue. 7%
Shares
gain
of
on
Occidental
Qualcomm.
off the lows now at $13.25, down about almost 3% on OXY.
Markets are heading lower there. Come on, let's hold that 10 and start that run again.
ERJ, Echo Romeo Juliet, shares are open again, hitting now at 559.
I'm not liking the
high
looks of that.
after resuming
That
on
sell-off
that Reuters
there.
report that the company is getting some interest following the end of the Boeing tie-up. Now getting some other companies possibly interested.
Markets are selling off quick there. I'm going to
That's
see if I could
ERJ.
sell that. 75. I sold. Let's see what that got out at. I didn't like that big candle there on the market and the news that just came in. 76 cents. 85 out at 70. I don't know how to see what the loss is on that with the calculator. What do I do by?
You do 7.76
Mm-hmm.
minus 0.85 divided by 0.85.
So 10% loss? That's not bad. Not bad.
FMCI for merger hitting new highs now, $12.95, up 13%.
2 for 3 so far today.
Wow, Floyd.
What's up?
Floyd is killing it today. He got in at Qualcomm at 79 and out at 87.
Wow, nice. Nice job, Floyd. Floyd Mayweather.
Yeah. Go.
There goes Qualcomm off that support at 78.25. She's getting a nice pop there, Qualcomm again. She's not really trading above. We didn't get that 1020 cross yet. Here comes the market, so starting to take off again.
Alright, there we go.
What's that?
Said Marcus is pulling back again.
Nasdaq's only down 15. Dow's only down 120. Looks like we're starting to climb. There goes Qualcomm again. Do I want to trade Qualcomm again? It's up 0.44% for the day, you know? So it's still... She's climbing above that 1020 now. Let's see. 78 strike. Might have to pick it up again. I'm going to wait, though. It didn't cross above that 20 yet. Avilio says MCD. Let's take a look at MCD quick. Guys, if you see anything breaking out, let me know. McDonald's has some resistance right around 188.33. So unless you see a candle above that, won't do anything yet. 3-month daily, though, 3-month daily, I like the looks of it. You know, I think that could easily get back up to 210 over the next couple of weeks. If you wanted a swing trade idea on McDonald's, I'd be looking at the 190 strike call for the July monthly expo. I like that setup. Not bad there, Avilio. But as far as the day trade goes, I'd wait to see that break out above, let's say, 188.33, 35-ish. John says, space again, SPCE. Ooh, space is starting to climb again. Held that 50 really well there. Space really isn't doing too much, though. Up 3.64%, 58 cents for the day. I want to look for that good mover. Look at that 1020 cross coming up on Qualcomm. If she could just get a candle above, you know, if she could get above 78.50, that'd be amazing on Qualcomm. You know, I keep wanting to jump in here, but she's not crossing above that 20 yet. I'll get it ready, though, to go. Just in case she does. She keeps failing at that 20 as of now. Talking about Qualcomm here. $76 by 82. I want to get in, but I don't want to jump in prematurely. Dow's down about 140. Nasdaq's only down 6 right now. Let's see what Qs are doing.
Sandy November Echo Sandy.
Qs are starting to climb again.
Shares up 28%. SNES.
Ooh, big market drop there. Big
President
drop.
Trump to
Trump.
speak at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, according to Fox Business.
2 p.m. Well, guys, I'm already telling you right now, those of you that are listening, 2 p.m., we're going to be live. I'll probably go live a little bit earlier, but let's get ready for some good day trades off of Trump. Probably we'll just trade SPY and Qs. Markets are pulling back now off of that news. Let's see if we could jump into some SPY puts here.
Powell's coming on in 30 minutes.
Powell's coming on in 30 minutes. I think Powell's going to be optimistic about the economy.
He keeps it real.
What's up?
I think he keeps it real.
Yeah, I think he will. I'm not going to jump into something here. I'm not going to chase anything. Josh says Uber's at the high of the day. Let's take a look at Uber. Uber's having a nice break out there. I love the 3-month daily too on Uber. That's looking nice. Look at Qs still climbing on Qs. Qualcomm might be nice now for a little day trade.
EVAX, Dynavax shares getting a pop here. Delta Victor Alpha X-Ray on heavy volume now. DVAX.
Execute. I just placed
Dynavax.
our order here on Qualcomm, but it did not execute. Order status,
$5.79.
it's live. Change. Let's see, what's it at now? 80, back up to 84 cents, really?
Dynavax, Chinese scientists working on a COVID-19 vaccine have told Sky News they are 99% sure that it will be effective. It says Dynavax is partner with Sinovac, that according to the traders circulating that report. That's DVAX, Delta Victor Alpha X-ray. DVAX getting a pop on that news. Sinovac shares are...
No, it did not execute.
That's DVAX, Delta Victor Alpha X-ray.
There we go. I just got in now 20 contracts. It executed at 89 cents.
Dynavax on April 16th had a press release out. Dynavax and Sinovac announced collaboration.
Watching her. Look at the breakout on Qualcomm now. That's what I was waiting to see there. Those candles already up a quick 3% on it.
Shares now hitting a high of $5.98.
That's looking nice. 4% gain.
DVAX. DVAX now seeing call sweep in Dynavax. The June $6 call sweep on Dynavax. DVAX.
$10.20 cross coming up on
DVAX now
Qualcomm.
halted at the highs on a circuit breaker. Delta
I'm
Victor
watching
Alpha
Q's
X-ray.
on the top left there. I want to
DVAX.
see that break above that 50.
Dynavax halted at $6.11.
What's nice about that Qualcomm, you got our first candles above that 1020 right now, but the market needs to hold up too. That's what's important. Qs are climbing. That's looking good. I want to see SPY and the diamond take off here as well. There we go. There goes QCOM. There we go. Qs are getting right up to that 50 now, ready for that break above that 50. If we could see that, maybe 231.50 on Qs today. Take a look, see if it's going to fail at that 50 or break out. Visa's back in the green. Visa June 19th, 200 strike call. Down 15% on the new Qualcomm trade as it's coming back down to that 1020. I'm watching Q's up there in the top left. That's failing at that 50, coming down to the 10 now. Let's see if it holds that 10, starts to climb. SPY's heading lower there. Diamond. Let's see. Q's are holding that 10 right now, getting a bounce off that 10. That's what I'm watching right here on the Q's.
JKS, Ginkgo Solar, JKS seeing a little bit of volume coming in now. That's JKS. Singapore, China to open central travel for business and official purposes in early June. That a joint statement by the company, by the countries.
China and who was that?
Chinese.
Taiwan? Thailand? There goes Qualcomm. Nice little bounce
DVAX
there.
is open again. Delta Victor Alpha X-Ray. Dynavax hitting 647 now on Dynavax, DVAX.
Q's are starting to break out.
650 the high, shares now up 30% on Dynavax. $663 now, the high on Dynavax. Shares up 34%. I'll report that they are possibly a partner on a vaccine that could be 99% effective, according to
Wow,
sources reported by
Dynavax.
Sky News.
99% effective vaccine, they're saying possibly. Qualcomm down 20% now. What's that?
Adam on the trade room,
Mm-hmm.
our newer trader.
Secretary Pompeo says U.S. authorities would not allow Chinese students to engage in espionage.
What's that?
Adam, our new trader.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh.
He's talking about how he's going to be officially divorced in an hour
Why?
with his ex-wife.
Oh, is he with his ex-wife? Yeah. Well, congratulations, I guess, with that, right?
Congrats. So that's why everybody's like congratulating him.
I want to see Q's break above 230.25 here. Looks like it wants to. It's holding that 10 pretty well.
NBRV, Nabriva, November Bravo Romeo Victor, hopping here 92 cents now on NBRV. Company announcing FDA accepted company's resubmitted NDA for and also a positive opinion from the EMA on Zenletta for community-acquired pneumonia. Shares now at 91 cents, up 7% on NBRV.
Powell's coming on in about 18 minutes. Probably seeing some selling pressure ahead of him, down 29% on that Qualcomm trade down. It's like, do I want to hold on to that going into Powell? I think Powell's going to be optimistic, to be honest with you. But what do I want to do with that? Not only down 27% on it. I think it's going to be fine. Let's see if it holds 78.10 support. Down 25%.
Fed's Kaplan, speaking to the Wall Street Journal, says strong virus testing regime will be needed to boost confidence and hasten the decline in unemployment. Says the U.S. will need a stronger regime to test, trace, and quarantine cases of the novel coronavirus to ensure a stronger rebound and economic activity, as states that
I'll get rid of that now.
commerce this summer.
I just sold that Qualcomm now for 58 cents. Didn't like the look of that. Markets are pulling back a little bit ahead of Powell's speech. Dow's down 204, Nasdaq's down 17, S&P's down 19.
That interview was done on May 27th, reported now by the Wall Street Journal.
Sajir says he's in Amazon 1460, out at 1836 for today's expo. Nice job. Tyler, we're going to do some ass whooping today. That's what we're going to do. We should get some nice volatility at 2 p.m.-ish with Trump coming on. You guys know what he does with the market, so we could make some big profits there. Vu's in at NVIDIA at $1.02, out at $1.56. Nice. Avilio's got a swing trade on NVIDIA. Let's see what NVIDIA's doing there with you guys.
Coming up at 11 a.m., Fed Chair Powell speaking at Princeton University.
He's speaking at Princeton. What'd you guys get on NVIDIA in the trade room there?
FIT, Fitbit, MLEX says Google's proposed $2.1 billion purchase of Fitbit is under investigation by the Texas Attorney General and other states. That according to MLEX, that's FIT, Fitbit, that reported by MLEX.
Oh,
That's Foxtrot India Tango.
Oh, yeah?
Says Google announced the deal on November 1st. It's been under review by the DOJ. And now this news from MLEX on Fitbit saying that the deal is under investigation. That
Wow,
Fitbit's
that's
under
going to drop
investigation by the
big.
Texas AG's office and other states. That's FIT Fitbit. Fitbit shares dropping now to 635, the lows.
AbbVie call sweeps coming in. Nothing coming in on Fit yet that I see on the newswire, except what he just said. Usually it'll come up a little bit later.
NERV, Minerva shares hitting $1.81 at the low, now at $2.20.
Johnson and Johnson, June 19th, 147
Resuming
call
trade.
sweeps coming in. Starbucks
And
put
halted.
sweeps. Pompeo said U.S. authorities would not allow Chinese students to engage in espionage. Oh, that's normal, you know? I think we're going to see everything drop here ahead of the speech. Andrew Richardson says gold's moving higher. Josh said his wife's going to Target. He better pick up some calls before she goes. All wives are like that, Josh. Cleaning lady just wanted to come in and clean. Market's still heading lower ahead of the speech here. Wow, what a day on the beach. Fitbit shares fall to session lows as hearing MLEX reporting Google's offer is under probe by Texas Attorney General and other states. TD Bank just got an upgrade to $66. Look at all the put sweeps coming in on Nordstrom. What's going on with JWN? Down 10% for the day.
WKHS Workhorse secures large order of 900 Endurance electric pickup truck contract for Momentum Group. That coming from a business publication, Business Journal. That's WKHS. Again, that report being circulated now, WKHS.
Is Nordstrom
Whiskey
a
Kilo
high-end
Hotel
store or
Sandy.
like a Macy's type of store?
Higher than Macy's.
Is it, yeah?
Shares getting a pop on that news.
You think they're going to file bankruptcy with Neiman Marcus?
No, yeah, they're hand in hand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What brands are in Nordstrom?
The Louis Vuittons.
Louis Vuitton's in Nordstrom?
Yeah. The Pradas.
Oh.
That's where you find those. Hermes.
Hermes is at Nordstrom?
Mm-hmm. You can get like belts and stuff.
Virginia wanted to get this Berkshire bag or something.
Berkshire. That's Warren Buffett.
It's some kind of bag at
Maybe
some place
after
named
again.
Hermes.
Yeah, Hermes.
On a
Birkin
circuit
bag.
breaker, this
Birkin
product
bag.
costs $2.53 to the Echo Romeo Victor.
Berkshire.
Berkshire.
She wants a Berkshire bag.
That's good. If you want the Berkshire bag, get her off. Hey, honey, we're investing in Warren Buffett today.
Market's still candles are so small on SPY and Diamond here, but still in BDM.
That report says Lordstown Motors secures order for 900 trucks. Shares of Workhorse getting pop on that. WKHS.
Fed Chair Jay Powell to discuss economy at a Princeton presentation at 11 a.m. Look at Qualcomm starting to take off there. Yes, Elias, we are still on for our afternoon session. Once I get off here at 11, we'll start our session, okay? Sound good?
AVEO Piper with a street high price target of $26. Alpha Victor Echo Oscar.
Good, Elias. Well, I'm going to message you around 11 on Facebook, and I'll give you the meeting info for our class. Looking on the news wire here, see if there's anything we could trade quick. Canopy Growth shares plunge after a 1.33 billion Q4 loss. So if they were doing that bad in Q4, imagine how bad they're going to do during COVID. You know, Canopy Growth. Oh, USO breaking news. Did you hear that? Breaking news, USO. USO oil ETF faces U.S. probes over investor risk disclosures.
Oh.
They're being sued. USO is going to tank on that news. Do you guys see that news? I mean, the shares aren't doing anything yet. It's probably going to start tanking right now. There she goes. There she goes. She's going to tank there on that news, I think. Let's see what the 25 strike puts are going for on USO. we're not making a trade yet. We're just looking. Some of you guys like to get click happy, which is okay. We all do. Let's see. 25 strike put for today's expo is only 27 cents. I'd be silly if I didn't want to pick that up. I'll wait though for it to drop below. If she drops below 24.91, I'll enter into that put. News isn't impacting it much yet. Not like I thought it would. Didn't enter it yet. Not entering it yet. Like I said, candle below 24.91 would be entry. Markets are getting a nice